If you are wondering if there is bloatware installed for you on Nothing phone for a Pro, then the answer is partially yes. So right after the initial configuration, you can find a couple of apps that you can consider to be bloatware. For example, we have Facebook, Instagram, and there's also TikTok, which is not installed on my phone yet. But if I go to the Google Play Store notification, then over here I can see that it is going to be installed, at least in my case. So we can count 3 apps that can be considered as bloatware. Now, whether you actually think it is bloatware or not, it's, I guess, up to personal opinion, because for some people, I can definitely think that Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok can be a convenience. I mean, the fact that they are pre-installed, it might be a convenient thing for them, because they can use these apps straight away. And in some cases, of course, some people might think it is bloatware because they have been installed without any confirmation, without any way to, to accept the fact that they are installed. And if you think about it, there's really no need for them to be pre-installed on this phone or any phone whatsoever, actually. So yeah, that's why it's up to personal opinion if you consider them as bloatware or not. And if you do consider them as bloatware, the good thing is that you can easily uninstall them from this phone. Besides that, we can find many Google apps, which I don't think we can consider them as bloatware really. And some of the rest of the apps are Nothing's apps. So yeah, so I would say it's up to personal opinion if the phone has bloatware or not. And besides these 3 apps that I mentioned, there is no bloatware. I don't think I can say that the phone has any bloatware pre-installed. So leave a like and subscribe.